All right, today we're going to walk through creating a project with Cascade in Windsurf by Codeium. And so we're going to say make a simple Tic Tac Toe game. And it's doing its thing here. And it's doing its thing here. Creating tic-tac-toe.py. File and implementing print board, summary of changes. So now, if we were to go to a Python environment and open and execute tic-tac-toe, let's see what happens here. We go open up our Visual Studio. We go and find personal website, I believe is where I keep that one. And it's under tic-tac-toe.py, which will probably be in public. Nope, where did it create it? Refresh. Cascade projects. Oh, Windsurf project. Tic-tac-toe. Okay, so we go run without debugging, Python debugger. Oh, see, now we've got yes. Now we've got a simple tic-tac-toe game right here. So we're going to enter our move row 2, column 2. Oh, that's interesting. Row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 2, row 2, column 1, and row 0, column 1, row 0, column 2. As you can see, it is playing tic-tac-toe. And now we've got, we're going to go row 0, and we're going to go 0, 2, 2, 0. And hey, we just won. Player 0 wins. Really, really simple and straightforward.